Okay, mga peeps, let us read Tagalog vocabulary and build Tagalog vocabularies from it, okay? Read first the alphabet and then build a vocabulary below and write it. Okay, start now. Okay. Bote. Bote. Okay, next. Buto. Okay, buto. Okay, next. Buwaya. Buwaya. Next. Laba. Okay. Next. Bulate. Okay, now let us write it. Bote, buto, buwaya, laba, bulate. Okay. Now, in English, what are those? Battle. Next, bone. Buto, bone. Buhaya, crocodile. Next, laba, washing of the clothes. Next, bulate, worm. Okay, bye-bye.